Hello everyone, welcome to Spoonful Savories, your go-to destination for delectable dishes.
Today we have a mouth-watering dish for you, Chicken Tikka. Let's dive right into the recipe. Here I have taken 500 gram chicken of 2 chicken breast pieces, which I am cutting into cube size. To start, we will prepare the marination for our chicken tikka. In a mixing bowl, we are taking the chicken and we will add half lemon juice, salt, ginger garlic paste, chili paste according to your taste, and we will give it a good mix. This is the base of our first marination. Once marinated, keep it aside for at least 20 minutes. Next, let's prepare the Bhuna Besan. In a pan, heat 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. If you want, you can add ghee as well. Add 1.5 teaspoons of besan and roast it until it turns golden brown. Mix it well and keep it aside for later use. Now for the second marination, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, add red chilli powder to it and mix it well for that restaurant like color without adding any food color. Now transfer this mixture to a mixing bowl and add the marinated chicken there. This will be our second marination. Now in the second marination, we will add hung curd, 2 tablespoons, red chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, black salt and regular salt according to taste, Kasoori Methi, and that Bhuna Besan, 2 tablespoons. And then give it a good mix and keep it aside for at least half an hour. Now our second marination is also almost ready. Put a aluminium foil and burn charcoal for that restaurant like flavor. To the charcoal, add 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter and cover it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now remove it and take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, grease the pan well and add the marinated chicken one by one. You can do this in OTG as well and microwave as well. Just listen to this sizzle sound, it's so tempting. For best results, you can cover it as well for 5 minutes. Also, you can do like this for that restaurant like burnt flavor. Now it's done, you can serve it as it is. Else there is another method which I will show you, that also you can use. Another way you can serve it, that is to garnish the chicken tikka with chopped coriander, lemon juice, melted butter, fresh cream and give it a good mix. Your another way of serving chicken tikka is ready, and also add chaat masala at the end and mix it well. If you like this recipe, please follow or subscribe Spoonful Savories for more recipes like this. Thank you for joining us today on Spoonful Savories. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking and thank you for watching.